All right, so we finally did it. We finally hit 5,000 subscribers, buds. I'm so excited. Thank you for everyone that's been supporting the channel. Hitting 5,000 subscribers is really big for me because when I first started, when I posted that first video of the air purifier or whatever, I didn't think I would get to this point. I was going to be hyped if only 100 people watching my video, but to hit 5,000 subscribers, you guys supported me, all the old subscribers to the new ones. This community is growing and I'm really hyped of where we're gonna go in the future. So thank you again, all of you. Really, thank you so much. It was hard to get to this 5,000 subscribers now. We're gonna grind and get to 10,000 and then 100,000 and go from there. So I really appreciate all of you guys' support. And I'm gonna just tell you some things that we got going on, because with that 5,000, that 5K next to our channel's name, it brought a little something different that I'm not used to. I'm gonna tell you guys about it right now. So it's so weird. Right when I hit the 5K mark, I've always had brands reach out to me, which you guys know. I always tell you guys, oh, this product was sent by so-and-so, sent by this, and that. And I was never paid for any of those. It was just a free product review that they sent to me, you know, and they probably sent to a lot of people. But right when I hit 5K subscribers, it changed, and we have some emails that are asking about what our rates are, how much does it cost for us to do a video and all that. And it's so crazy. It was like overnight, right when the 5K showed up next to my name, now companies are willing to pay me or something. So that's a little heads up for everyone out there. You can get paid at any time, but it just seems like it was like pulling teeth to try to get money from these companies that were sending the products. But now, like, right when they send an email, they're like, what is your rates? What is your media kit? So that 5K did change a little something for us, and we are working on some of those deals and trying to get those in here. So my wife Iconic handles the business side of this, where she's gonna be dealing with the companies, you know, asking what our rates are, or we're telling companies our rates. You know, I really don't want to deal with that business side of that. I just want to make the videos, and you know, I'm teaching her, helping her, and letting her know what our rates are, how much work I put into videos, and what we deserve to get paid on this channel. So she's handling it really well. So hopefully we see some paid products on this channel very soon. So I definitely don't want to go crazy with the paid products. I'm definitely going to keep it to the products that I buy. Mostly we'll throw in a few here and there, and probably a little bit more, you know, starting off this rise, so we can get that income from that to buy more of the newer products. Because everyone knows tech products, when they first come out, those things are like $350 and up. So they're very expensive. So we want to get our hands on more of the newer products. So, you know, these paid showcases and stuff will help us out with that to get there. So, but once we get to a certain point, I just really want to separate it, like one paid product, you know, 2, 3 reviews of my own, another paid product, you know, so that those paid products can, you know, pay for those ones that I want to buy myself. But yeah, the next step is hopefully we can get some, you know, some brand deals with, like, you know, ExpressVPN and all that stuff you guys see on all other YouTube channels. Funimation, shout out the boy, hook me up, let's get a little deal going. So hopefully we can get something like that, you know, quick little like 15-second mid-roll, get paid for those, and that also will help us, you know, get more products on this channel, because there's a lot of things I want to review, and then I look at the price, I'm like, I can't buy that right now. Like right now I want we did the JBL Extreme 2. I want the Extreme 3, but I just paid, you know, almost 200 for the Extreme 2. The Extreme 3 is 377 after tax and all that. And it's like, I can't buy that right now. So hopefully these deals will help us pay for all those products that I want. You know, I do 1 for them, I do 3 for me, you know, something like that. And it'll help this channel grow even better and get way more newer products on here. So that's the plan right now. So hopefully sooner or later you guys see a little 15 seconds like, this video's brought to you by blah, blah, blah. So that's where we're going. You know, I tell you guys everything that we're doing here. I don't care if it's brand deals and how it's gonna work. I want you guys to know how, you know, everything is going down. I'm hoping in the future we get to the point where we have so many deals that I can ask you guys, like, what product do you want to see? Because these 3 companies are hitting me up, and I'll let you guys vote, you know, what product you guys want to see on this channel. But hopefully we get there one day, but we'll see. So when it comes to the tech, buds, I know that you guys want to see more different types of tech on this channel other than just the speakers. I am working on it. I'm trying to see what things that I really want to have on here that I will like, and things that I will use. And so I have a couple ideas I know the one thing that I was telling you guys that I really can't wait to try out, that's gonna come. That's not a speaker, so you guys will like that. And we might get like a humidifier on here soon, so that'll be another one. And we'll see. I'm gonna keep working on different types of tech. I got you guys, don't worry. We will have different types of tech on here really soon. So my wife and I are gonna start another channel. Mostly my wife's gonna control it. I'll be popping in there a good amount. If you guys don't know, my wife is from the Philippines. She moved out here a couple years ago, and she's really gonna focus on that. I don't know if she's gonna be speaking Cebuano or not, her language, or she's gonna keep it in English. It seems like she's gonna do it all in English mostly, but she's gonna talk about her experience out here and everything that she's been through and things that she likes about, you know, America, and things that she misses about the Philippines and all that. Then we'll do things like, you know, trying different foods, Filipino foods and all that, or trying to cook Filipino foods, and I'll be in all those videos. So when that drops, I'll let you guys know when we finally get that all put together. So thank you, everyone. Shout out to all you guys. Really, it really means a lot. And everyone that watches in different countries, shout out. I'm worldwide. I love that you guys are watching me in different places. I get love from the UK, from the Philippines, from India, from the Netherlands, Canada. All you guys are always dropping in there. Right now, if you guys are watching this video, leave a shout out from where you're from. You know, just say love from so-and-so. And you know, my name is Rodney, and this is Wanna Buy It and Love from California. Everyone be safe out there. Take care. See you in those next videos. Peace.
Pabalik-balik sa aking utak, di na gustong maalala pa. Sa sakit ay pagod na, pero dahil sa'yo nagpaloko pa.